Here's a step-by-step guide to remove Gemini from your Android phone. Step 1. Uninstall via App Drawer. Open your app drawer where all apps are listed. Find the Gemini app. Tap and hold the app icon, then select Uninstall. Confirm Yes to remove it. Step 2. Remove via Open Settings on your phone. Go to Apps and Notifications. See All Apps or Apps. Scroll and select Gemini, tap Uninstall and confirm. Step 3. Clear data and cache, optional but recommended. In the same app info screen, tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache, Clear Storage, then uninstall the app again if needed. Step 4. Check for device admin permissions. Some apps can prevent uninstallation if they have admin access. Go to Settings, Security, Device Admin Apps. Check if Gemini is listed. If yes, disable it, then try uninstalling again. Step 5. Restart your phone. Sometimes remnants remain. A quick restart ensures the app is fully removed. Step 6. Optional. Use an antivirus app. If you suspect Gemini is acting like spyware or malware, scan your phone with a trusted antivirus like Malwarebytes or Bitdefender. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming audio and tech tutorials.